What is personal loan and how personal loan disbursal? What will be the process? We will understand in this video. And how you can get loan in easy manner. Nowadays, personal loan is in great demand as it is a feasible way of financing a wide variety of needs. Right from planning a holiday to renovating your home, personal loans are the best option to ensure cash flow at difficult times. A lot of lending organizations offer easy and affordable personal loan solutions to customers. However, there still remains a spiral of confusions when it comes to the disbursal process. Processing of loan application. Your loan application is processed within 24 hours to a week, depending on the credibility of information furnished by you. Once the loan is approved, banks generally provide a check that borrowers can collect from the branch, or sometimes it's mailed to your address. The loan amount can also be credited to your bank account by the concerned branch through NEFT transfer. Disbursal of loan amount. The actual amount of loan disbursed may differ from the amount sanctioned as per the agreement. The sanction letter is only an intimation from the lender that you are eligible for a particular loan, subject to certain conditions. However, the disbursal is based on additional formalities that you have to fulfill once the loan is sanctioned. The amount disbursed will depend on the following factors: type of loan, processing fee, upfront payments, if any. Service tax confirmation from the bank. The bank will send you a confirmation letter after disbursal of the loan amount, either as an email or as a paper copy along with a welcome kit. The bank will also provide you an ME calendar and an amortization table that will help you calculate the principal to interest ratio for your loan. Payments. Key takeaways. While it may not be important that you update changes in employment, it is essential that you communicate the change in your bank account with the lender. You can transfer your loan from one lending organization to another at any point in time. But when you switch lenders, you will be charged a penalty. The rate of interest applied on your personal loan is based on your monthly income, credit score, and the duration of loan repayment. Repayment process following personal loan disbursal. Following the disbursal of the personal loan, the borrower will have to start the ME payments the next month. For example, if the borrower has received the loan amount on the 4th of June, she will have to start the ME payments in July as per the ME payment cycle. In addition, in some cases, if the borrower receives the loan amount after the 20th of June, then the first ME payment will be only in August. Facts on personal loan disbursal process. Certain financial lenders have instant personal loan disbursals. How can I apply and be eligible for these personal loan schemes? To be eligible for the instant personal loans, you have to have an existing relationship with the financial lender. Either have an existing loan, home loan, car loan, etc., or a savings or current account, and you should be on the list of pre-approved customers. Usually, with the instant personal loans, there is no need for submission of documents and verification. How can I reduce the MS to ensure I can repay the personal loan in a timely manner? You can reduce the ME payments by making a down payment towards the personal loan. This will not only reduce the ME payments, but will also you could get a better interest rate on the loan as well. In some case, the processing fee will be waived as well. In addition, you can reduce the ME and the tenure of the loan by making part payments towards the loan. What should I expect following the disbursal of the personal loan? Following the disbursal of the personal loan amount by the financial lender, you will receive an email and SMS confirming that the loan amount has been disbursed. You will also receive a welcome kit at your registered address. The welcome kit will contain the welcome letter, loan agreement papers, repayment schedule and amortization table, and other possible goodies included by the financial lender for choosing to avail a personal loan from them. Can I cancel my personal loan after the money has been credited in my account? No, you cannot cancel your personal loan application after the money is deposited in your account. That said, you have time to cancel your personal loan application before the money is disbursed. You can cancel your personal loan application even after it has been approved by the financial lender. Usually, unless it is an instant personal loan, the customer care unit of the bank will call you prior to the disbursal of the loan. You can cancel your personal loan even at this point. How will I receive the personal loan amount? The most common way of receiving the personal loan amount is direct transfer from the bank to your bank account that you mentioned in the application form. The direct transfer will be carried out by the bank via the NEFT facility. In addition, certain banks even disburse the personal loan amount via check or demand draft that has been addressed to the borrower. However, if you wish to receive the personal loan amount via check or demand draft, then you will have to collect it at the bank branch and deposit it in your home bank branch. How to get lowest interest rate on personal loan? If you are looking to apply for a personal loan, here are a few tips that will help you avail a cheapest rate of interest. Improve your credit score. A high credit score indicates that you are creditworthy. Banks and financial institutions offers lowest personal loan interest rates to applicants who have a high credit score. Thus, you should check your credit score before applying for a personal loan. If your credit score is lesser than 750, you should look for ways to improve it. There are more chances of you getting a personal loan at a low interest if your credit score is over 750. Avoid missing repayments. If you miss a loan or credit card repayment, your credit score may be adversely affected. Loan providers usually take your repayment history into account before deciding the personal loan interest rates. Those who have paid their past MSN credit card bills on time are likely to be charged a lower interest. Keep an eye out for offers. Banks and financial institutions usually offer special interest rates for a limited period of time during festive occasions. If you apply for a loan while such an offer is running, you may be offered a lower rate of interest. Compare interest rates before applying to a particular bank for a personal loan. It is necessary to compare the personal loan interest rates charged by various NBFCs and banks. This will help you avail a personal loan at a competitive interest rate. Negotiate with the lender. If you are an existing customer of a bank or have a good relationship with the loan provider, you can negotiate for a lowest interest rate. When doing this, it is advisable to submit a formal written request to the loan provider. Factors that affect personal loan interest rates: income. Loan providers take the applicant's income into account when deciding the interest rate. Individuals who have a high income pose a lower risk to the bank and, thus, might be offered a lower interest rate. On the other hand, those with lower annual incomes may have to pay a higher interest rate. Employer details. If you work for a reputed organization, the bank financial institution is more likely to offer you a lower rate of interest. Nature of the employment. Loan providers may offer different interest rates to applicants based on whether they are self-employed or salaried. Age. The age of the applicant can also have an impact on the interest rate quoted by the loan provider. Individuals who are nearing the retirement age may be charged a higher interest rate. Relationship with the loan provider. Existing customers of the bank financial institution may be offered a lower rate of interest at the time of applying for a personal loan, provided they have a good relationship with the loan provider. This is, however, at the discretion of the bank, and not all existing customers will be offered a preferential interest rate. The benefit of opting for a fixed interest rate is that you know exactly how much you will be charged during the loan tenure. Thus, those who wish to plan their finances in advance can opt for a fixed interest rate. If you, however, don't mind a fluctuating interest rate, you can opt for a floating variable interest rate. The benefit of opting for a variable interest rate is that your repayment amount will reduce when the interest rate is low. What is meant by reducing interest rate with regard to personal loan? When you avail a personal loan at a flat interest rate, the interest is calculated on the entire loan amount throughout the loan repayment period. In comparison, if you avail a loan at a reducing interest rate reducing balance rate structure, the interest is only calculated on the outstanding loan amount. Thus, in this case, when you make a monthly repayment, the interest for the remainder of the loan tenure will be calculated on the outstanding loan balance. Things to consider while selecting a personal loan with a low interest rate. There are a few other things that you should consider. Processing fee. Loan providers levy a one-time charge known as the processing fee, which can increase the cost of the loan. Even if you are charged a low interest, it is important to check and compare the processing fee charged by different lenders. Pre-closure charges. Certain banks may charge you a pre-closure fee if you repay the outstanding loan balance before the completion of the loan repayment tenure. Make sure to check if the bank financial institution that you are applying to levies a pre-closure charge.